Hi friends, do you already drink the natural water from spring or some fountain? Now is the time to do this. If you want to have a peaceful mind and clean body, you need to also drink pure natural water. So the tap water is good just for washing the toilet, okay? If you have luck, the best way is to have a property with a beautiful house and your natural water from well or some spring is even better. But if not, you need to take your time and put the effort to find the real pure natural water and use it, of course, for drinking and also for cleaning your teeth, because you know, whatever you put in your mouth, digestion is already starting. So that's why natural water. And the best way, of course, will be also for shower, because also when you put the water, the skin is sucked inside. So yeah, and also if you want to collect water, it is the best way is glass bottles. So and also is good to do this regularly, so that stays fresh for your body. And also we wash our salad and all the vegetables and fruits with our natural water, just pure, okay? Because whatever you're cleaning your food, you're eating then, okay? So be conscious, and because of that you will from now on be more careful how and what water you are drinking. So that's how you will stay the healthiest as possible, of course with the natural food as possible and sun, nature. So what? Yeah. And love yourself, and thank you very much for watching. Please share and subscribe. If you want to know something more about any topics in our past videos, just ask, and please share and subscribe to This Is My Love. Ciao ciao.